everyone, welcome to QSPIDERS GURUGRAM placement. Today we have one more placement candidate, Anu Chaudhary. So hi Anu.
Hello sir.
Introduce yourself.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anu Chaudhary and I am from Uttarakhand. I did my graduation from DIT University, Dehradun. I did my Bachelor's of Technology from Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization of Data Science and Analytics. Later I joined QSPIDER and here I am learning the Python full stack course.
Okay, how QSPIDERS help you in the placement journey?
So as we all know that QSPIDERS is a big institute that providing the job requirement to many students. So this institute helped me to get a job as soon as possible, and today I am here getting a placement at SQL String AI because of QSPIDER. They can help me to clear our doubts and give day-to-day presentation which can help us to clear all our doubts and enhance our confidence also.
Okay. Then what do you want to tell about for upcoming students?
So I think day-to-day requirements are coming, and according to their courses and their respected faculty will add into their requirements. So more and more students should go to the interview place and should give their interview, so that which can help them to increase their confidence level, and also they are getting placed.
Okay, till now how many interviews have you given?
Till now I am given 6 to 7 interviews. Some are online or some are walk-in interviews.
Okay. All the best, Anu, for your future.
Thank you.
Congratulations.